Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how you can fix and hide these black bars appearing in your Hollow Knight Silksong gameplay. Let's begin! So, as you can see here, the black bars are also persistent inside the game itself, not only in the main menu, which of course can lower our visibility. We cannot really preview our game as great as we have been before. So how can we fix that? Well, first simply go into your pause menu and then head into your options. Now, you want to navigate into Video tab, and right below the frame rate cap, you want to go into our screen scale here. And now we can see that we have these arrows, and usually what you want to do in most cases, you want to just bump up this value to 0, because otherwise with any kind of negative value, we have just a bit of pixels that are going to lower the screen scale. So set it to 0, and as you can see now we can play the Silksong in its full beautifully. It's prettiness, I have no idea how to tell that. This doesn't really matter. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.